Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is June 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Meta, ticker symbol Meta. We'll be discussing the recent news surrounding Meta and doing an in-depth technical analysis of its stock chart. Recent news indicates Meta is trading around $682, showing a slight decrease from the previous close. However, it's up 8% in the last month and nearly 36% over the past year. Analysts are spotlighting Meta as a potential beneficiary of the agentic AI trend. There's also growing speculation about a possible stock split, as Meta is the only Magnificent Seven company that hasn't split its stock yet. But it's not all good news. There are concerns about a WhatsApp AI helper mistakenly sharing user information and OpenAI accusing Meta of poaching staff. We'll see how these events might be reflected in the charts. Now let's get into the charts. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see a broad overview of Meta's price action over the past year. From February 2024, around $468, we've seen a steady climb with some significant dips and recoveries. Note the surge in late January 2025, followed by a correction in February and March. Then, there was a very big dip on approximately April 4th, 2025, followed by very quick recovery on approximately April 9th, 2025, followed by several months of relatively volatile sideways trading. Most recently on approximately June 20th, 2025, there was yet another significant downward spike, perhaps in response to the WhatsApp AI concerns or OpenAI poaching reports. Now let's zoom in to the recent price action, the most recent candles around June 20th, 2025. The most recent candle shows a strong bounce, suggesting that the market may have absorbed the negative news and is now seeing renewed buying interest. This could be fueled by positive sentiment around Meta's AI initiatives and potential stock split. Let's switch to the one-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent trading activity. On the one-hour chart, we see a series of candles that indicate a tug-of-war between buyers and sellers. Pay close attention to any formations that might signal a reversal, such as hammer patterns or engulfing candlesticks. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can identify more precise entry and exit points. Keep an eye out for support around the $678 level and resistance near $705. A break above or below these levels could trigger a significant move. The agentic AI push and potential stock split continue to make Meta a compelling long-term play. However, concerns over AI data sharing and talent poaching introduce short-term uncertainty. Important price levels to watch are support at $678 and resistance at $705. A break above $705 could lead to a test of the February highs around $740. Conversely, a drop below $678 could see a retest of the $650 level.